Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language setting in the Cider application using your mobile device. Changing the language in your Cider shopping app helps make browsing and checkout smoother, especially if English isn't your first language. First of all, open up the Cider application on your smartphone and log into your account. Now from the home page, tap the Me button at the bottom right corner. From the Me menu, tap on the Gear button at the top right. This will bring up the Settings menu. Tap on the Language option under Settings, and then if available, you can select your preferred language from the list. If you only see one language available, then you may not be able to change to a different language option. But if you see other language options, you can select it from this page. So that's how you can easily change your language setting on the Cider app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.